Apart from marrying these two brothers, we've been friends for a very long time. As a matter of fact, we're excited when fate brought us together as family. What is going on? If there's any way I've offended you, just tell me and I'll gladly, humbly ask you for forgiveness. Christabel, where is the love that existed? The peace, the harmony, the unity, the happiness? Where? I remember vividly when you were not happy with my husband because he wasn't doing anything. I supported you. Did I not? What have we done again? What did I do wrong? What did my husband do wrong that brought this enmity, this hostility, this malice? I cannot explain. Please, my friend and my co-wife, I'm tired and willing to right the wrongs. I swear with my unborn child, if I bear any grudges against you, let me not see good face.
Ah! What is that? No, what nonsense is that? You swear with your unborn child in your womb. As what? No, okay, get it. Oh! So you are here to indirectly insult me. Makanama to believe me. No, what going there, idiot? You are nothing but a green snake in a green grass. Bia, Ilu, Ibalo Bugenwo. You know, can't see what you're talking about. I swear with my womb, swear we'll go get back this rubbish. I swear with your one child. Honey, hurry up, please.
I am coming, I'll be with you soon.
Hello, dear. How are you? Okay, so how much is the set of jewelry? What's the cost? 5.2 million naira. Come on. That's a bit on the high side. My economy look somehow. I mean, it's too much. Is that the last? Alright, no problem. Send me your details. You get the money immediately, okay? Alright, I'll be waiting. Bye. Alright, darling.
I noticed you would do the whooping sum of 5 million naira from our joint account. Huh? How could you do that without my consent? How?
Is that why you're shouting? Come on. I withdrew ordinary 5 million naira for my personal effect. And you're here shouting. For what?
Oh, you call 5 million naira ordinary?
Of course it is.
You call it ordinary, and what useless personal effect will make you take such amount of money from our personal account?
Honey, please. What is this? What is going on here? I should inform you before taking money for my personal effects. What am I? A dummy? Oh, please. Let's go, please.
Hey, let me tell you something. If you do not stop that, your stupid life of extravagance is going to run me into bankrupt. And let me remind you that I'm accountable to my brother for every expenditure I make.
Oh, please. Please. Spare me that your brother's crap. What is this? What is money meant for if not to be spent? Yes. If your brother, your useless brother and his wife decides to live like church rats, it's not my cup of chocolate. Okay? As a matter of fact, you have ruined my day. I'm not going out anymore. You can go if you wish. Excuse me.
And how dare you speak about my brother in such disrespectful manner? Are you stupid? Huh?
It is always one misunderstanding with my husband. Because of that, he's good-for-nothing brother. It's obvious he doesn't want me to enjoy my marriage in peace. Then I will give him the war he asks for. I will not carry last or drop possible. He will know. In fact, I will tell him that I am from Mbese. Ada Tantimata. Yes.
One day one trouble, no. One day one wahala. Now which can life be this so? Every day palabra. We used to live in peace.
It's now Marokwa to Papa.
Hold on. Play.
Yeah.
Madam, good morning.
Play game.
What did I tell you? Stand up. What did I tell you? Why are you bent on disobeying me in this house? Drop that rubbish. Do you want to lose your job? Are you stupid? Are you Mr. Man? I don't know what is wrong with you. I don't know why you enjoy being idle. What is your problem? My husband, who always takes your side, has opened a cement shop for you. But no, you will not be there. You prefer to stay here and lazy about, distracting this old man. Have you no shame? Are you not ashamed?
Enough! Enough of your insult, Mrs. Rudeness. Are you mad? Is there anything wrong with your head? Huh? Do you know how we made this money?
I don't care.
Listen, however I decide to live my life is none of your business. Let anything that concerns me not bother you anymore. Are you mad? This is the last time you will threaten this old man. The last time you threatened to fire him. Silly. Old one, I am the owner of this house. So start learning how to obey my orders. With me, your job is highly secured. I mean highly.
Yes, sir.
Really?
Idiot.
You are the bigger idiot. Fool.
If not that you're my brother's wife.
What would you do? What do you think you can do to me?
A whole bucket now, what are you ice bag?
Jobless idiot. Aggressive baboon.
Come on, get
Idiot.
out.
Jobless thing. And you, old man, you know what to do. You know what to do because I'm in charge.
I told my brother not to marry.
Rubbish.
Look at it. Old man, this one does not know how we made the money for this particular house. And she wants to come and feel among. Thunder fire you. Sit. Let's play game. Nonsense. You imagine. I thought she came to even play game with us. I combine their honor. Tienya mom. Papa na maro gwazo. Papa. Zolo mo gwazo.
General market.
For where? Ojoro. Ojoro. What is happening to my wife? Does it mean she's indirectly affected too? I should be the only one at the receiving end and not my wife. Let it not be that my presence in her life is another setback. I initially didn't bargain for this. I should be the only one suffering, oh God. What have I really gotten myself into? I have also spiritually tied my wife's progress without knowing. Jesus. Racheal, my wife is too innocent to undergo all this, God, please.
Honey, what is it? Why have you refused to eat anything? Why?
I am not in a good mood at all.
So what's spoiling your mood? You brought me out on a lunch date and you allow something spoil your mood? That's not nice, my husband. Please.
Your friend Christopher has refused to understand that I am the head of the family.
I'm sorry, my husband. Please. I wouldn't want this to get to the point where you have to exchange words with Christabel. Christabel is a woman like me. Don't worry, I know she's been nasty, I know she's been stupid, but I'll talk to her woman to woman. I wouldn't want that to spoil our date, please.
Imagine Christabel insulting me. Insulted me before the gate man. How?
Honey, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please. I'm sorry. Just for the sake of our baby, smile. Let me feed you.
Yes? Out with whatever you want to say. I'm busy. I have to get back to the office.
Have a seat.
I don't have that kind of time. Say what you want to say. I don't have time.
Christabel, we're not here for fight. I called you so we can have a peaceful discussion. So have a seat.
Yes?
Christabel, for some time I've known you. For years we've been friends. But this your recent attitude is not something I can really place. What is going on? It has gotten to you instructing the gate man, the security man, to disrespect my husband. Aside him talking about it the other day, I've always known. I noticed it, but I decided to let it slide. Now, you continued with your nasty attitude. Let's forget the fact that you're the MD of this company. T&K Associates is owned by your husband and my husband. So it doesn't make me less. I love peace. I love harmony. I love unity, but that doesn't make me stupid. So that's why I decided to call you. Because you're beginning to let wealth, power, influence, affluence get into your head. Please, my darling friend, what is your problem? Let's talk about it as two reasonable adults and sort it out with. What is it? What did I do wrong? How did we offend you? I need to know, please, so I can ask you for forgiveness.
Sorry, you're done?
Yes, I'm done.
So you called me here. I left everything I was doing in the office to come listen to this rubbish. Lucia, my dear, the earlier you realize that I am on top of things, that I am in charge in this family, the better for you. And tell your useless husband to get a life.
My husband is not useless.
Tell him to be useful to himself. And I suggest you mind the small boutique while I mind my office. In case you don't know, it's called division of labor. And don't you ever, in your miserable life, again, call me for this type of rubbish. And next time, Tell your useless husband to confront me himself. If the thing between his two legs is strong enough, let him confront me. Rubbish.
I won't act in this childish, tacky way. I'm bigger than that. I refuse to be stupid with you. Madna bada yara. Since you've decided to be demented, I'll let you fool yourself.
We used to live in peace, yo. I ne pick one on the door. Ebata zebasa sebanuna. Ebezebia wasa sebanuna. Rapo mona wane mokaibio. Hey, stop creating enmity. Hey, Rapo mona wane mokaibio. Hey, we used to live in peace and harmony. A family living in peace. They couldn't so with everything. It's all like a neighbor season. It's all like a Nicosa season. One day one trouble, no. One day one wahala. Now which can life be this so? Every day palabra. We used to live in peace.
Madam, that's it. It's life. You can never predict what.
What are you not telling me? That thing, hey, that thing that you feed with the money I paid you, have the audacity to insult you and your husband, How come she become this powerful and have the audacity to frustrate you and your husband?
Like you know, Auntie, her husband is my husband's younger brother, which happens to be the MD of the company. So they are in control of money and power. Madam, you need to see how this girl talks to me. You'll be asking yourself, is this the same Christabel that you know? Very arrogant, as in she acts in a very irritating manner. It's becoming unbearable. As a matter of fact, you can't know people. Oh. You can't know people till they get money and power.
Hey, God. My sister, I suggest you call family meeting for her. Yes, agitating your absorption into the company.
It won't work. My husband won't allow me do that. My husband will always tell me, calm down, relax, I know what I'm doing. He won't let me do it because he doesn't like power tussle. And I don't want it to look like I'm one disobedient wife. Yeah. Take bullshit.
It's okay. It's okay. You see, it's okay. Everything will be fine. You see that girl? Let her continue with her nonsense. Let her continue with her nonsense. Look at this thing. This thing that you feed with your own money. Hey. Wonder shall never cease.
You need to see her now.
My
she
sister.
will look into my eyes, call me names, insult me.
Are you serious?
Hey.
No problem.
Well.
Let me go and drop you.
No problem.
Hey! Are you serious?
Thank you.
Agma! Where are you going to? Where are you going to?
Amaka, will you? It's only cut Mary so as a cogging.
I will not only cut the red trouser, I will cut a ring again. Where do you think you're going? Tell me.
Amaka, for goodness sake, what is wrong with you? Please, Amaka, leave me. Leave me now. What is all this now? Let me go now.
You don't know. You now have memory loss, Okuya. You don't know. Let me refresh your memory, Oga. Where is the money I asked you for? The money for the that uniform. Where is it? Bamianaka. Give it to me, Ozubo.
I don't think you're okay, Amaka.
I'm mad.
But Amaka, I told you that I will give you the money this week when I'm done. When I'm done with work.
Same story every day.
You are aware that my motorcycle broke down and I spent every kobo I had to fix the motorcycle.
Chai.
So where are you expecting me to get the money to give you now?
You're talking nonsense, Oga. I call bullshit.
More.
You're talking rubbish, Oga. Today you must give me that money. Akuma, did I do wrong in marrying you? What is my offense? How did I wrong you by getting married to you, this man? You're not only poor, but you're also wicked. Very wicked. They will call Ndenai. Men, oh, use that womb. Shamelessly. Shamelessly, if they come men, you will come out. Look at you. Just take a very good look at you. Are you not seeing your fellow men? Look at Chizzy, look at Tony. They're in the city, swimming in money, lavishing on their wives. What do I get from marrying you? Frustration. You have turned me into an old nagging woman. What did I do to you this man? I'm asking you what?
Amaka, you are embarrassing me. Look at people are looking at me.
Really?
Amaka, but for goodness sake, what is wrong with you now?
Embarrassment.
Give me
people are looking.
I will teach you, Amaka, that I deserve respect from you as your husband.
I got no money, no respect. Give me money and I'll respect you. Give me the money I asked you for. Give it to me.
Amaka, leave my dress now. Leave my dress, Amaka, leave me.
You want me to show you?
Yes.
Come and see.
Mama, did you see what she just did now? Did you see it?
It's okay. It's okay. Why are you both disgracing yourselves? Why? No atom of shame at all.
Mama, go on. Don't tell me, Mama.
Stop pointing at me without your poverty-stricken hand. Stop pointing at me.
She's calling me poverty.
Enough! Don't allow my neighbors to open their ears to listen to the way both of you are shouting in my house. Don't you have shame? You people should cover my shame now. Akoma, I blame you. I blame you for beating her. No responsible man should lay his hand on a woman, no matter whatever she does.
Mama, God bear me witness. I never did.
Liar.
Why should I beat?
Liar, you
Amaka, did I beat you?
You beat me up.
Enough!
I beat you, Amaka.
Enough!
You beat me.
Enough! Amaka! Onopaka! Amaka ono nse. Bob no na wage. Why are you so troublesome? Where did you take this attitude from? Your late father and I are so peaceful. Good. Amaka, what is it? Because of this your same violence, you lost your unborn child in miscarriage. Amaka, you have not learned. How can you be pregnant again with this kind of trouble? You are always fighting with your husband every day. What is your problem, Amaka? Please. Ogum. Bikon. Melo my bed. Wanaga de kam. Obalamba yeno galambunuma.
Inle, what up on problem? I don't have any problem.
Bikon. Go home.
Go with home. You've been saying a lot and I've been keeping quiet because you're my mother. In Akbarim, you've been insulting me. But why you don't know Yenna? It's either I took after you or I took after my father. But that is not even the case right here. The truth is that I am done and dusted with this marriage. I am tired. I am going inside my father's house right now to put my pieces together. Maybe I can start afresh. If you like Akuma so much, Mama, marry him. You're a widow.
Amaka.
Mama?
He saw this again, Amaka.
Mama, did you hear what she just said? Mama, this okay. How can I now make peace with this kind of person?
Hey!
And you are telling me to go, Mama. Go meet him.
No.
I am tired. I am fed up. What is all this? I am tired of this marriage. Do you know that this stupid man has gone from starving me to turning me into a punching bag? It is no longer enough for him not to give me food. Now he beats me. See, I am tired. I've had it up to here. I am choking. I can no longer take this.
My dear, I understand how you feel. But you have to equally understand that marriage is not a bed of roses. You need a lot of perseverance to succeed.
Hey, not at the expense of my own life. I cannot die because of marriage, There's something they really do me for this village, Something they do me for this village. Please. No. I need a favor from you.
Anything, my good friend, anything.
Please. Like I told you, I am tired. I am tired of all these problems. I think I need to clear out my head. I need somewhere to go. Can I come and visit you people in the city? At least let me come and clear my head. Let me come and rest. Then I'll come back to face my problems. Please.
It will be my pleasure. Of course. You're welcome anytime. I mean, you're the one that has been running from me. So anytime, you're welcome.
Thank you. God bless you, my friend. Something no go do you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Something no go do you at all.
Don't mention it. You take care now. Bye.
Okay.
Papa! Papa!
Brother, you were saying something?
Yes, I want 100,000 naira from you.
Okay, I will make you a transfer before I leave this month.
Which transfer? No, which transfer? Eh? Which transfer? Nebe?
What is it?
Okay, Morgan. So this early morning you are here begging? Eh? You can't even allow us to sleep very well. Why have you decided to make yourself a perpetual beggar? Eh? I thought my husband opened the shop for you. You should be able to sort yourself out from there. But no, you are here begging. Every time.
Christabel, stop it. Stop it now.
Stop what?
Christabel, stop it. What's your business there? Eh?
My business there.
It's your concern. Obasagi? Stop
Christabel, were you talking to me?
I'm talking to myself.
Forgive her, please.
Forgive who? Forgive who? Forgive who? For what?
Please,
Tony.
What is he doing here this early morning?
Stop this. Stop it. Bro, I am sorry. I'm going to make the transfer, okay?
You're not making any transfer. Oh. That transfer, you're not making any transfer.
Anyway, I'll see you later.
No, come and stay. In fact, come and lie down in the middle.
Christabel,
Stop
it.
Christabel, are you really talking to me?
No, I'm talking to myself.
Stop it.
I'll bite you. What is that?
Bro, please, I will see you, okay?
Okay,
Christabel.
Alright.
Miko. What is that?
Listen, if you talk to my brother like that, I'll
Don't
stop you.
do that.
Don't try this time.
Don't do that. Don't do that. You are my problem. You are my problem. Why is your jobless brother controlling you?
It's your business.
Telling you what to do. It's my business because I'm your wife.
They want trouble, no. One day, one wahala. Now, which can life be this so? Every day, palabra. We used to live in peace, so I may be one on the door. Ebata sebasa sebanono. Ebasebia wosa sebanono. Rapo mona wane mokaibio. Stop creating enmity. Rapo mona wane mokaibio. We used to live in peace and harmony. family living in peace. People so good everything. It's your luck and your boss assistant. It's your luck and your cause assistant. One day one trouble, one day one wahala. Now which can life be this so? Everyday palabra. We used to live in peace so. I let pick one on the door. E bata se basa se banana. E bese bia wasa se banana. Rapo mona wane mo
Hey, leave it, don't worry. Papa will get it. Anyway, there is something I want to tell you.
Okay, what?
About my friend, Amaka.
What about her?
She wants to come and visit me, but I want to seek your permission first.
It's your choice. If you want her to come, it's okay.
Oh, come here. You know, you're the best husband in the whole world.
And you're the best too. But anyway, you just have to inform my brother and the wife so they won't be taken unawares.
What is that? No, again. I should take permission from your brother and his wife before my friend comes to visit me in my husband's house.
Babe, don't misunderstand me. You understand? Just let them know. It's just called courtesy. You know, so they won't be taken unawares about that.
Courtesy, abonyabe. Gin kana ako. Iko that thing, please. I will not do it.
Babe.
I will not do it. Please.
Babe, come. Baby, it's called courtesy. Just have to let them know, okay? Are you done playing ball?
I'm tired.
Mansion. This is big. But why people leaving grass here now?
Amaka, please come inside.
And all this grass, we can just use hole and, remove all of them. I can do it. You bring hole. I'll help you.
It's for decoration. Just come inside, okay?
Decoration of my grass. Hi.
Papa, please bring her bag inside.
I have come. I have landed. I have come. Amaka have landed. Papa, they don't know. I have thank you. Amaka have landed. Papa, let me help you. Papa, I don't land.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I've landed.
Welcome.
Amaka have landed. They don't know.
You're welcome.
Ooh, thank you, Papa.
Welcome.
Papa, let's go. They don't know. I have come.
Yes?
Christabel, what is the meaning of this?
Meaning of what?
Meaning of what you did. You know Amaka and I are not in good terms. Why would you bring her here, knowing fully well I'll not be comfortable with her around?
Lucia, Amaka is my guest and not yours. So, save your breath.
Really?
Yes, really.
I'll see how this plays out. Excuse me. Papa! Get the gate open.
Amaka, my dear, that is it. Every responsibility in this house lies on our head. From feeding to ordinary housekeeping fees. Everything. They are nothing but mere parasites. Or blood-sucking parasites. Hey. Honestly, Amaka, if I tell you that I'm not fed up, then I'm a big liar.
Nem, you should be fed up. No, now tell me, who will not be fed up? In the first place, you're not even supposed to allow this. You mean to tell me that, despite the fact that Lucy and her husband are working, they still leave all the bills to your husband?
Okonkwo, underwear. If Lucia wants to buy pants now, my husband will give her money. My lipstick, earring, everything.
Hey, Christy, you're the one sentimentally giving room to this nonsense. And I call shit, me, Chukwu Amaka, allow this. But it's not possible. It's not possible.
How do you mean? How do you mean?
Who be that? Who the no one broke this door for me? Ah, madam. Sorry. Sorry.
How are you?
Fine. Madam, what happened to our car now?
It's outside. I didn't want to stress you.
Yeah. Oh, thank you for your kindness, madam.
Christy, Namuziam. It is true that a man is the head of the house. But in the right sense, a woman is the head of the bedroom. And that is the engine room. The control room where all the decision taking and making is being done. You know now, you tell him what you want him to do.
Hey, what do you take me for? I know where you are driving at, but I've done all those things, all to no avail. Yes. Here, I locked this place. He said, Christabel, you are gradually driving me into the arms of another woman.
Yeah.
That if it happens, I should not blame him.
Chimo, Christy, that means this man already has plans of cheating on you.
Oh.
And he's just looking for a flimsy excuse. Hey! Now wow. I can't believe this.
You better believe it.
So Lucia and her husband, with all the money they have, they are still being stingy to themselves.
Stingy is understatement. Understatement.
No, mommy, thank you.
So this is what you do with your time. Sit at home and gossip about my husband and I. Are you not ashamed of yourself? And you? Have you forgotten? You couldn't even pass a term during our secondary school days because all you do is gossip, gossip every now and then. But you know how I dealt with you. If you don't respect yourself in this house, if you do not respect yourself, I'm going to deal with you again.
Now! Okay, Messi Ponensi. Who asked you to speak? In my own husband's house. My husband's money. How dare you disrespect my guest?
Your guest, my food! Your guest, my food! This is also my husband's house. Yes, this is my husband's house and I have right to expression. What is all this rubbish? Are you not ashamed ashamed of yourself? What you do is sit and gossip. That is what you do for a living. Christabel, you are a cheap gossip. You heard me right.
Lucia.
Husband again.
Lucia. Did you just call me, Christabel, a gossip?
A cheap gossip.
Yes, that's what she called you.
How dare you?
Lack of respect. You know, for what?
My stomach! My stomach!
Leave
Allow me! Let me deal with you! I cannot take this. I cannot take this anymore. Enough of this. It's becoming unbearable. I've been complaining about her excesses. Now it has gotten to the point where she got Amaka to come and kill me. I won't take it.
I will handle it.
Oh, please spare me that slogan. Don't tell me that. I will handle it. Calm down. Oh, you overreacted. This is what you've been saying to me, honey. At the end of the day, you will not do anything. What would you rather have me do? Fold my arms so she can kill me in this house? I won't do it. Get ready. We are leaving this house. It's either you're ready to pack out from this place or I will live here alone without you.
Honey, it hasn't gotten to...
Of course it has gotten to this. Till they kill me. Do you want me to die before you know it has gotten to this? Like, are you serious?
Why are you yelling?
I shouldn't yell. Oh, maybe I'm yelling because I'm demented. I'm delusional. But listen and listen very good, my husband. It's either you leave this house with me, I will live without you. Rubbish.
It's all your fault. It's all your fault. How can you and your friend Amaka be using this family for your cheap gossip? How? Oh, it has gotten to the extent of spreading our dirty into the public. Eh? See, I don't want that to happen again. Her presence in this house might cause us problems if you don't take care. Get that to your brain. I don't want this to happen again. Do you get that? What? Oh.
Oh.
Fine, except the fact that I missed you so much. So how did your day went?
Kingsley, good afternoon. I'm fine, and you?
You enjoying yourself?
Baby?
Yes. I was asking you how your day went. Did you miss me?
Of course, I missed my wife. Okay, so I did some shopping.
Really? For me?
Yes.
This is so exciting, baby. Thank you.
It's fine. It's fine. You're my wife. Come on.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right. So try it on. Try some of them on, and then
it's fine.
Let me freshen up. All right.
Thank you. Mwah. Don't worry. I'll make sure I serve your food. Okay?
Okay, Kingsley. How was your day now?
Yeah, fine.
Oh, you went well, right?
Baby.
You're enjoying your stay?
Yes, I am.
Baby,
very well.
Freshen up, okay?
All right.
I'll serve your food before you're done.
It's okay. Oh my God.
Oga Kingsley, welcome.
Hey, oh, this is beautiful. What a sweet husband. Chineke nemema,
Imela. Hey. Ekene dirigio nyama. This is not bend down select. This is exquisite. This is luxury. Oh God, I love this crystal.
Hey! Life is beautiful. Life is beautiful in the city. Hey!
You can say that again. In fact, money is good.
Name too good. Money is too good. But Name, it's just that you're not enjoying this money as much as Lucia is. Yes. You need to see the shopping that Kingsley did for her today. Hey! Expensive shopping. Clothes, handbags, weavons, shoes, wristwatch, name it. Name it. All follow belief. Kingsley would have carried back the entire boutique for her. Hey, expensive things so.
But Amaka, you know that Kingsley is a very caring man. I mean, we all know that.
Caring indeed. Name this life no balance so. No balance at all. It's just somehow that Kingsley that is not working lavishes more money on his wife more than Tony. So monkey go to work, babu they chop. Why? It don't make sense, I beg. You don't follow.
Enough.
Tony.
Enough, man. Enough.
Eh?
Since you visited, you've turned this house into your gossip point. And I would appreciate if you would leave my family affairs alone.
I was just trying to...
Hey. I don't need any explanations from you. Do you understand?
My love, is not what you think.
Onny, please. Please. See me in the bedroom.
It's okay. You see that I'm talking about?
It's okay. Let me know. Let me see what he has to say. I'll be right back.
Go and see. Here, so I cannot look out for my own friend again. I should not watch my friends back. I should allow them to finish up my friend's husband's money.
My love.
This is 2 months of her visit, and she's becoming a pain in everybody's ass. By tomorrow, I want her back to her family. I want her to go and face her family. If she's reasonable enough, she shouldn't have stayed out of her marital home for long.
But darling...
I don't want any argument. I've spoken. I don't want you to argue it.
One day one trouble, no. One day one wahala. Now which can life be this so? Everyday palabra. We used to live in peace, so I let big one on the door. E bata se basa se banana. E bese bia wosa se banana. Rapo mona wane mo kaibio. Stop creating enmity. Rapo mona wane mo kaibio. We used to live in peace and harmony.
Do you like it?
Love it. You are very cool. It's your luck and you boss assistant. It's your luck and you cause assistant. One day one trouble, no. One day one wahala. Now which can life be this so? Everyday palabra.
Okay, come on my bag. make your money?
Madam, the money no reach now.
That's something they do you. Chivo. Yeah, Akuma. What is going on here? Who is this thing and what is she doing in my house?
Who are you referring to as a thing?
Will you shut up? Shut up before I land you a dirty slap. Shut up. Shut up. Fine, blind your eye with dirty slap.
Honey, just leave it. It's my fight.
Akuma, who is sitting on same honey, please?
This is my battle. Please, let me fight it.
Hey, warrior.
Amaka, let me warn you. Don't you ever in your life refer to her as a thing.
Hey!
Am I understood? Amaka, for goodness sake, this person you are referring as a thing have been taking good care of me, doing what you could not do. Taking good care of me as her husband.
It is wife to be, my friend, because you're not even fit enough to be called a husband. Nanuki, can you imagine? Akuma, just because I traveled, small vacation holiday, let me go and see my friends. He goes, Okembi. Okay, Kita, you could not hold the things in between your leg. You went to bring in another girl to replace me. It's not possible. Over my dead body.
Good. Amaka, go and buy yourself a coffee because I'm done with you.
Lie, Nusumba, I say you lie. This house, all of us will live here. Roommate, you're welcome.
Leave my house.
Akuma, I said I'm not going nowhere.
I said
I'm not going anywhere.
You must leave my
house.
Leave my house.
Leave. I look quiet.
You are the one who said it with your mouth that you are tired of this marriage. You said you are tired.
You're lying. You're lying. He said you should leave. Leave. I am not going anywhere. Go.
He said you should leave. Mrs. Traveler, see, let me tell you, there is no vacant room in this
Leave
room.
her, leave her. Let's go inside.
Akuma, you lie. Akuma, I said you're a liar. You're a liar. For better, for worse, Akuma. For better, for worse. Open this door. Akuma, open this door. It is for better, for worse. Eh? Open this door. Open this door. I will break down this door. Don't say you. I don't tell you. You think you're wise? Okay. You think you're wise up here? Man, okay, man. Call some.
Don't mind that woman. Each time she comes to my boutique, she always comes with trouble. You can say that again. I'm just managing her because I don't want to lose my customer. Christabel, my darling, there's a reason I called you to this place.
Right, I'm not, yes.
You know Lucia used to be your best friend. Yes, and she's the one that brought you to this city and even introduced you to me. She even begged me to give you a job in my boutique, which I was considering doing before you both got married and to the same family. So I don't know the reason why you choose to make her life miserable. You know, I'm just asking.
So, Mrs. Thailand, you called me here to talk about Lucia.
It's not that.
I mean, what right do you have to meddle in the affairs of my family? So both of you have been gossiping about me, right?
Oh.
And who are you to question my authority? What? You heard me right.
Christabel. In case you have forgotten, I am that woman that fed you each time you come to my boutique. That very woman that gives you money each time you run to me for help. And you are here asking me the right I have to meddle in your affairs? God, how time flies, you know? I don't blame you. I blame myself. Just because you got married to a wealthy man. That's why you have the guts, the impetus to talk to me one and only Madam Thailand in this manner? Oh God. And you think you have arrived?
Of course I've arrived. Do you need to be told? Are you blind? Look at me. Such is life. Or you think I'll remain a nobody for the rest of my life? No. I have arrived. And there's nothing you or anybody can do about it. Get that into your thick skull. And the next time you invite me for this rubbish, you will have yourself to blame. Don't worry about this. I'll pay for it. Money is not the problem. Excuse me.
Christabel, you are beating more than you can chew. Look at Christabel of yesterday. Insulting me. Me, Madam Thailand. Don't worry about this. I'll pay. Christabel. I'll pay for this. I'll pay for this.
Madam, I'm done cleaning it.
It's fine. You didn't wash the car. Look at the tires, but it's okay.
I didn't wash it. I only clean it.
No problems. Thank you. You tried. Honey, hurry up. Honey.
Yes, what is it? What are you doing inside that car?
My husband and I are going out with a car.
My husband and I are going out with a car. Of all the cars in this compound. Eh? My friend, come down. I want to use the car and go out. Come down.
Christabel, are you mad? No, tell me, are you deaf? Did you not hear me clearly when I said my husband and I are going out with a car? Do I look like your house help?
Hey.
I'm asking you, respect yourself in this house. Respect yourself.
Hey, see me seek temptation, oh. In my own husband's house.
In my own husband's house.
My husband's car.
Christabel, are you mad? In Apodala. I'm asking you, are you demented?
Come here.
Come down.
Jesus! What's going on here?
What's down? Are you mad?
What did you do? What did you do? Jesus!
My baby.